Well, hello, Mechanics 10. Welcome to the rest of our semester. I'm just going to do a quick little video on what our Google Classroom will look like. You can see at the top we've got Spring 2020 general documents. Those are just some of the things that you will be able to get a hold of me, and you'll have to contact me, and just some general things that'll come up. And if you have your notifications on your phone or your computer, those will come up and you'll be able to see that. Many of you are done engine repair skills, but some of you have not gotten to that yet. So you'll just continue on. You'll click on, let's say, bolt measurement. And when you click on that, it'll give you instructions and it just tells you how to do it. It's a little bit different because I had to add some things like arrange with Mr. Martins to get 10 bolts delivered to your house. That might take some time. I think there's physical packages heading out every couple weeks or something like that. So I think that's supposed to be how it works. And then later on it says submit this completed document to Google Classroom and then contact Mr. Martins to arrange a meeting to discuss your measurements. So we're going to look at this. We're going to try and treat it as much as we can like you're in class. And so it's going to be a little bit difficult, but so we have a few other things here. I've got fuel systems, engine power, engine size measurement. I had to work with engine size measurement. There'll be a video posted here so that it's me showing doing the measurements instead of you doing the measurements. And so you'll still be able to do that. If you've completed both engine repair skills and engine operating principles, you can move on and you'll start on the automotive skills. You normally would have done these, except they would have included some kind of a practical component to that. Because you're not here, you will be given the opportunity if you take Mechanics 20 to take that practical component. So you just click on this theory, you go through the theory and follow the instructions. Same thing with tires theory, tire markings. You're gonna get the chance to go out to your car and your truck and have a look and see what it says on the wheels and be able to decipher what that is. After that, we come down to getting ready for Mechanics 20. So you are in Mechanics 10, but this is a theory that you can get a head start on for Mechanics 20 so you don't have to do it then. And so that includes this engine parts project, and you just need to follow the instructions and go through it. This is a new skill, a new assignment that I've created, so there might be a few little glitches in there, and if there's something you don't understand, please get a hold of me. Attached to there is a Google Drive folder with a whole bunch of pictures that you can see right there. Yeah, so small engine pictures, some of you may have seen that, so we'll get out of that. That takes us back here. And then we have electrical theory. This is a little bit heavier. We're going to get to some parts here where we have to do wiring circuits, where you will need to draw on some diagrams here and then go on to have a Google Meet with me or a Hangout, and you'll be able to ask me a question. And there's a lot of back and forth here, so it might end up being that I do a Google Meet and we all just hang out in class and I talk to you and visit with you and ask you a bunch of questions and help you go through this. I think it's totally doable online, and so we're going to give that a go. Excellent. So that's basically what we're doing. There will be other things that I'll add to here if people get done. The information is endless, and so as busy as you want to be, you will be.